Dear doctors and medical students from Russia and all over the world, hello from Istanbul, the biggest city of Turkey. My name is Yiğit Köse and I work as a cardiovascular surgeon in one of the best cardiovascular centers in Europe. I love my job and I work a lot. When I was a student, I used to go to other countries in advance to IFMSA program, and this experience helped me to see different medical systems in different countries, different surgical techniques. In the end, it helped me to find myself in surgery. I am very happy that I had this opportunity. I was lucky to have medical clerkship in Russia, Yekaterinburg, and now you have opportunity to have observership in the best hospitals of Istanbul. I have a lot of operations in cardiovascular, and I have many colleagues in other fields of medicine, and we are inspired to invite you on observership in Istanbul. I am sure it will help you to find yourself in medicine. Now, I would like to tell you a bit about hospitals and departments which are ready to welcome you this summer. First of all, Dr. Siyami Ersek Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery Hospital is almost the biggest cardiovascular surgery center in Europe. It has two big buildings just for cardiac, vascular, and thoracic surgeries are done, and in one working day it has 14 operation rooms for open heart surgery and 8 for vascular and varices minor vascular surgeries. In addition, there are 4 rooms for pediatric operations. A lot of academic managers and consultants are working there. Tens of surgery registrars are working. It has a huge emergency service also. The most successful surgery center in Turkey is here for cardiovascular field, and it's in the heart of the Istanbul, which is a magnificent and spectacular city with its touristic, historical, and modernistic venues. I assure you, it's equally beautiful as other European cities like Paris, Rome, or Berlin. Dr. Siam Ersek Hospital is very close to Bosporus, and it has a beautiful view. Just 10 minutes away from Kadıköy, which is the most enjoyable district in Istanbul. Transport from Kadıköy to every other districts of city is very easy because subways, buses, and ships are just in the center of Kadıköy. Gynecology and obstetrics is in Yeditepe University and a very qualified clinic. You can observe ward patients visits, clinic experience, and operations. Besides gynecologic and obstetric surgeries, you can also see oncologic operations. It's in another big district in Istanbul called Ataşehir. You see there are numerous city centers in Istanbul, not just one, and in every of them has a big settlement areas. Ataşehir is also close to Bostancı and Bağdat Street, which is the biggest shopping street, and you can enjoy many restaurants, cafes, and bars. Thirdly, trauma and orthopedics is in Ümraniye Hospital. It has an enormous number of patients. I must warn you that you will see a huge number of patients in this hospital clinics, as it is one of the busiest hospitals in Istanbul. You can observe emergency approach to trauma patients, all kinds of orthopedic and spinal operations, arthroscopic surgeries, and ward patients visits. It has a near location to Kadıköy and Üsküdar. Üsküdar is also a Bosporus side district like Kadıköy, and you can admire the Bosporus bridge that you can see over the sea and the Maiden Tower in the middle of the sea. It is the oldest suspension bridge of Istanbul, and there are 3 bridges in Istanbul that connect the Anatolian and European parts. Finally, Dentistry Hospitals is in Çekmeköy. It's unique implantology center among the state dentistry hospitals except the private clinics. You can observe many kinds of operations, but I don't know the exact details of education system because dentistry is a bit far from my field. This is a bit far from the centers we mentioned above, but there are really easy transport methods to the centers. And the medical conditions of hospital is worth observing and will enrich your knowledge and experience pretty much. It's a very, very important. Uh, some students think that Anatolian location is far from center dangerous. Please tell them that's not like that. Istanbul has many centers. In the end, tell that your contact person in Russia is Pavel Luginin and that they can ask me any questions about this subject. Also, in 1 week, we are having stream in Instagram and you will be available to answer the question. Best wishes and see you all in Istanbul.